Hey YouTube, it's Taki with TaqiTech. Okay, so as I start working a little bit more on this project here, and the last video had some technical difficulties, that's why it ended prematurely. I'm starting to kind of think of a different way in which I want to do things here as I kind of think things through. So one of the things I'm going to do here is, instead of like choosing the actual hair color, I'm just going to say yes or no in these boxes here. Now I could type out yes. I'm going to actually use a list box from data validation. I think that would be a little bit better. This should actually say eye color. Okay, and we're just going to get rid of ethnic altogether. Let's see here, delete, and we're just going to shift cells up. Perfect. Get rid of this, home, and we're going to take out the borders. Okay, and we'll put this border back on, thick border. Okay. And then for age, I was planning on, so what we'll do here is with height, we're going to put the dimensions in. Let me see if I could insert, cut cells. There you go. And then I'm just going to do another list box with weight here. And then for age, I'm actually going to say, let's go to our data validation now. Data validation for age, I'm going to say equal to or greater than, let's see. Equal to or greater than, there we go, to 18 here. And so we should put 18 in here, and that should be good. And then if we put anything else, if we put 17 here, nope, can't do it. And then here we're going to put let's do 92. Data validation, less than or equal to. And we'll put the maximum in of 92. And we'll put 92 here. Okay. So now this will give us our age range. And you could go back in and change this if you want to have teenagers. Just one adults here. We're going to have a wide array of ages here. For height, I'm going to do the normal height for an adult, and I haven't determined yet if I'm going to do feet and inches and reconvert that. Just to make things simple here, we'll just do 4 feet. No, let's do 4'8" in inches. So that would be 4'8" in inches would be, so we got 48 plus 8, 56. And we'll test it out here. Okay. So 56. And we'll do, so 6 feet is 72. And should we do 7 feet? Let's see here, say 84, let's do 80. So data validation. Now I'm already thinking of a problem here. Look, and I'll show you in just a second here. Let's do 80. Data validation. Now, what if I put in 44 here? Uh-oh. So I'm going to have to do some research on that to try to figure out, because I think we might have to do a custom. Setting on it. Let's cancel out of that, go back to data validation. Let's take a look here. Custom. I have to do some research on that so we could have, so we would basically evaluate it based upon two values. Okay, we'll come back to that in another video. For weight and eye color and hair, I wonder if I could do all three at the same time. We're basically going to have a list. Yes. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a list, and it will be yes and no. So if I click on eye color, I have yes, I want eye color, yes, I want hair color, and yes, I want weight. Or maybe I don't want a column for eye color, to say no to that and no to weight. And then if we don't want height, I guess we could put 0. Nope, it's going to want a 1. No, it's not going to go any below 56. So that's going to be interesting too. I kind of have to figure out the nuances of that. If we don't want an age column, are we just stuck with it? Can we just delete it afterwards? Things you have to think about when you design a project. But I'm going to think about this a little bit more. I'm going to get back. Actually, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to come back with a solution for our height issue and actually our age issue, because I could put 17 in here and it won't be a problem. And that's not going to work. So be just a second. I'm going to pause the video and be right back. All right. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So basically, data validation, you do go to a custom formula. And this is a formula, an AND formula, because we're going to look at two different things. Basically, we're saying that this cell, F8, is greater or equal to 18 and less than or equal to 91. I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to modify it a little bit for the validation on this cell. I'm going to go with data validation again. We're going to choose custom, and the formula is going to be almost exactly the same. So it's going to be greater or greater than or equal to 19, and it's going to be greater or equal to 92. Okay, so let's try this here. If I put 18 here, nope. But if I put 19 here, uh-oh, it didn't work for the 19. Let me make sure I had everything right there. So let's go back here, custom lookup, data validation, greater, so F8. Oh, we need to change this to F9. F9, okay. Rookie mistake. 19, it works. 92, it works. 91, it works. You go 91 here, it works. Okay. So these are a little tricky here, but we're gonna get this here. I'm not even gonna pause the video because I'm pretty close to it here. I got an idea. So we're gonna say, go to data validation. We're going to say that this has to be greater than or equal to 92. That's fine, and it has to be greater than F8. Okay. So now if I put in 91, nope, it's not going to take it. But if let's drop this down to 18 again, and then put 18 in here. Nope. Oh man, it took it. Let's see here, 19. Okay, hold on. So, okay, so F9 has to be greater than F8. Okay. So if F8 is 18, why isn't it recognizing that? F9 has to be greater, so we need G9 here. And we need G8. That's embarrassing. And we need G8 here as well. So I increased the row when I needed to increase the column. This should work now. Let's give it a shot. 19. Perfect. 18. Nope. Let's do 92. Let's do 93. Nope, we don't want 93. Let's do 91. Let's do 92. All right, troubleshooting here. Let's do 24. Let's do 23 here. Nope. Let's do 24 here. Nope. Let's do 25. There we go. So age is fixed. I'm going to do the same thing with height. And so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please do give it a thumbs up. Share it with other people who might be interested. If you have any questions or you want to provide us with more information, that would be great. Just leave it in the comments. And make sure you subscribe if you like the content on this channel. And until next time, take it easy.